One afternoon, on a midsummer's day, Patrick the two-horned unicorn left to find his hay. But upon arriving, he found utterly to his dismay that Eggie, the bold-headed egg, had taken it far away. Patrick had no doubts of whom it was to apprehend, so he set out in the morning, eager to enact his revenge. Before he set out on his master plan, he drank a sizable portion of liquor, for he assumed, I won't be held liable, and drank another sip with a snicker. He found Eggie sitting alone one day, perched upon a pretty high wall, and Patrick thought to himself how convenient it would be if Eggie just happened to fall. He approached Eggie, and upon arriving, spewed out in arrogant spite. Eggie yelled,
"This is blasphemy! This is madness!"
Madness.
To which Patrick responded,
This is Sparta!
And then Eggie was pushed, crushed to the floor, and died unto the law as a martyr. Patrick was brought before the court, and the judges found him guilty of murder. But Patrick was shocked, caught in disbelief, at a judgment he thought could not be any absurder. But I was drunk at the time. I could not control myself. Surely my innocence is undeniable. That may be true, said Judge Peru, but you can still be held antecedently liable, for your intentions existed at the moment of drinking, in the hopes you'd be excused from the first element, thus your requisite fault, accompanied by voluntary action, caused your defense of non-pathological automatism to be irrelevant. It was the moment that his guilt dawned on him that Patrick began to cower, for he could not escape the legal principle of Actio Libera Causa, and so the fact that Patrick intentionally drank several hours before the crime did not mean that as of today, he'd be excused from the might of the law this time.